Hi, my name is Tyler Manning, and I'm a clinical liaison and occupational therapist with Gateway Rehab Hospital. I would just like to take a minute of your time today to share some resources for you that focus on both stroke and brain injury recovery. The first website I'd like to share with you is stroke.org. Stroke.org is probably one of the largest online websites centered around information about both stroke prevention, but also post-stroke recovery. And what I really like about stroke.org is they have an entire section of their website dedicated to caregiver resources. Being a caregiver is one of the most difficult jobs in the entire world and is often unheralded. This has a lot of good PDFs and handouts to not just be how to become a better caregiver, but also how to take care of yourself as a caregiver. For some resources that are available a little bit more locally, we can see the Brain Injury Alliance of Northern Kentucky. This is located in Florence, just down the street from Gateway, and is led by a full-time employee named Lori Tharp. This is a free resource for you and your loved one that can go in and connect with her and help find potential resources, including financial ones, that might be available through the state. As part of the Brain Injury Alliance of Northern Kentucky, there's Bridges, which is a free both survivor and caregiver support group. Bridges stands for Brain Injury Demands, Guidance, Education, and Support. Again, this is free and it's hosted monthly at Gateway Rehab Hospital. Some of the speakers for this have included pharmacists, police officers, and even stroke survivors who have written books. With 2020 and 2021 being the way that it has been, we also have been looking online a lot for support. So Facebook is a good resource here to find both stroke survivor resources, but also stroke support for caregivers. The University of Cincinnati offers a great support group that actually works on improving aphasia. This is led by their speech and language pathologist, and the name of the group is Communication Helps Achievement Together. It's called CHAT, the UC CHAT program. So this is a good resource for people that have maybe had a stroke or a brain injury and are still struggling with aphasia. And this is a group that is both a support group, but also works to try to improve. And lastly, I'd like to just offer Gateway's resources. If you or your loved one are at home and they're starting to struggle some more with maybe having more pain, more tone or spasticity, they're having a harder time with getting in and out of bed, getting themselves dressed, or getting around the house, please feel free to reach out to Gateway's admissions team. Our admissions team is filled with respiratory therapists, registered nurses, occupational therapists, and physical therapists. We can come out to your house and evaluate you in person, and then work with your insurance and help determine what a good plan might be for you. This could include an outpatient program at Gateway, or it could include directly admitting to Gateway's inpatient program, where we have both stroke specialty programs and brain injury specialty programs certified by the Commission for the Accreditation of Rehab Facilities. Again, if you have any questions or you would like a tour, please call Gateway and ask to speak with the admissions department now. Thank you.